we are at Bryce Canyon National Park. As you can see, it's very, very different from all of the other parks we've been to. The trees are slightly more pointy. The dirt is kind of an orange color. The rocks are maybe a little lumpy in nature. Yeah, striking stuff. Now I know at all the other parks and places like that we've been to, kind of the main activity that Tambi subjects us to is hiking many miles in the heat and the dust and such as that. And I'm certain that she's going to break up that monotony with some kind of unique activity here. Is that right, Tambi?
No.
What do you mean, no?
I mean, it's just still more hiking.
Oh.
And rocks.
Oh.
But they're different hiking and rocks.
Ah, okay.
And they're beautiful.
Yeah, that does sound exciting, Molly, right?
So exciting.
All right, let's go see some rocks and do some hiking. Molly, what you got going on there with that book?
I'm working on the Junior Ranger field book.
Uh-huh.
So I can become a Bryce Canyon Junior Ranger.
Oh, very impressive, Molly. Will this be your third Junior Ranger badge?
Yes. Actually, it's going to be my fourth.
Fourth? Oh, wow. It's very impressive, Molly.
This is going to be my third national park, and I have one state park Junior Ranger badge.
So one thing that I am a little curious about at this particular park is some kind of rock formation called a hoodoo. Gonna have to see what the heck a hoodoo is. Any idea what a hoodoo is, Molly?
No.
Yeah? No? Here we are at one of the many pull-off viewing points, Aqua Canyon. Let's see what we have going on here. Aqua Canyon, huh? Well, they got the name wrong, didn't they? It appears to be completely devoid of agua. Oh. Look at that bird. There. There. Oh. This appears to be a common raven. Why is a raven like a writing desk? Do you have the answer to that? Excuse me, sir. I really want to know. Huh? You strike me as being named Edgar. No? No, not Edgar? Sorry about that. This particular formation is known as the Natural Bridge. Actually pretty cool as far as, you know, formations of dirt and rock go. Dirt, rock, and trees. Pretty nice, Tambi.
Yeah, I like it.
As far as dirt and rock goes, I mean, that's arranged in a very, you know, pleasing way. I approve of that dirt bridge.
Awesome.
And so begins the continuation of us hiking trails of the national parks. Or also what Molly and I refer to as the Trail of Tears. Where are you back there, Molly?
Right here.
Where are you? Oh, there she is. Oh,
My water bottle.
pretty crazy view looking down through there. Oh my gosh, there's like 50 switchbacks. All right, seriously. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 switchbacks that I can see from right here. Oh man, that's pretty crazy, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Actually, this actually is pretty cool. You know, I give Tambi a hard time for, you know, dragging us through these national parks and these kind of crazy situations, but it does result in some pretty cool views. Isn't that right, Molly?
Yep.
We are way down in the bottom of this canyon on a hike called Wall Street. Look at these huge trees down here. That is just so unreal. They are massive. Molly, go stand at the bottom of that one for scale. Molly, your butt's kind of dirty. Are you showing off for the camera? Yeah, this rock and dust is really loose. Look at the size of that thing. And there's one there. And there's one down there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Crazy.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Tambi.
Yeah?
Oh,
Yeah.
this is a video. I'm taking a video there. I'm just kidding. Okay. That is a hoodoo. What? Oh, look, there's a, oh, it's shadowy. Look it. Nature. Molly, that's a bobcat.
No, it's a chipmunk squirrel.
Hoodoo. 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 Hoodoo.
Ben's been pointing out all the hoodoos. They're his new favorite thing. Right?
They are. They're so interesting. Look, there's one. Let me see that thing. Whoop. Hoodoo. They're so crazy looking. Yeah, this is a super duper cool place. Unreal terrain. And look at this here hoodoo. Fine specimen of a hoodoo if I've ever seen a hoodoo before. Hoodoo! Hoodoo! Ridiculous, Tambi.
You're ridiculous. But I love you.
Definitely going uphill.
Yeah, we are.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Molly, it would be a lot faster if you would just take a straight line straight up this hill
I know.
instead of all these nonsensical
could.
zigzags.
I wish I could.
I'm so out of breath. I feel like I'm so out of shape. And I was trying to figure out why I get so winded so easily. I was thinking that maybe I need to cut back on how much beer I drink, or maybe become more active, work on my cardio, or possibly cut back on the cheese puffs. But Tambi, I know what it really is.
What?
It's the elevation.
Yeah, we'll blame it on that.
Oh! Hoodoo! Wow. Quite a view, huh? Hoodoo. This particular hoodoo formation that you see out there is called Thor's Hammer. Molly, you're doing good, kiddo. Are you out of water yet?
Nope.
Staying hydrated? Almost back to the top. Good thing this is one of the easiest hikes in the park. Or is this moderate?
It's moderate.
Oh, okay.
You made it.
Yes!
You made it.
Yeah, that guy was all right. congratulate us on our success.
This is the Junior Ranger Pledge. As a Bryce Canyon Junior Ranger,
As a Bryce Canyon Junior Ranger,
I promise to do all I can
I promise to do all I can
to help protect my national parks.
to help protect my national parks.
I will collect litter
I will collect litter
when I'm out exploring
when I'm out exploring
and show respect for nature
and show respect for nature
by not disturbing anything wild.
by not disturbing anything wild.
You are now a Bryce Canyon National Park's Junior Ranger.
For anybody who is new to our channel, I am Ben. That is Tambi, and that little pink thing back there is Molly. Tambi currently has us on a cross-country trip in an RV, seeing as many national parks and such as we can. We're currently on what seems to be a never-ending death march of hiking, and it all is this lady's fault right here. Me and Molly are just along for the ride. Where is she? We're just having a good time, though. It's okay.